Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaron sugar spun run. First, gather your ingredients and tools, including granulated sugar, water, and a clean whisk or fork. Ensure your workspace is prepared and free of distractions. We'll start by discussing the ideal sugar syrup consistency. This technique adds a beautiful, delicate touch to your homemade macarons, making them look truly special. Get ready to transform your desserts with this impressive yet easy method. Now, let's craft the perfect sugar syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a small, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat without stirring. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature closely. We're aiming for exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving the fine, delicate threads needed for sugar spinning. Patience is key here for the best results. With your syrup at the ideal temperature, it's time for the fun part, spinning the sugar threads. Carefully dip a clean whisk or fork into the hot syrup, allowing any excess to drip back into the pan. Then, quickly flick the tool back and forth over a sheet of parchment paper or a silicone mat. You'll see delicate sugar strands form. Work quickly, as the sugar cools and hardens very fast. Gather these beautiful threads gently to form your spun sugar nests. Finally, for the finishing touches, gently place your delicate spun sugar nests onto your cooled macaron shells. This adds an incredible visual appeal and a subtle crunch. For best results, prepare the spun sugar just before serving, as it can be sensitive to humidity. Store any decorated macarons in an airtight container to maintain their freshness and crispness. Remember to check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic. Enjoy your beautifully decorated macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.